As men cross the age of 50, the body goes through quiet, gradual changes, especially in energy, circulation, and overall confidence. These changes are normal, but they can sometimes make daily life feel heavier and more challenging. I'm Dr. Anglina Dcosta, and in today's video, I want to speak openly and respectfully about a topic many men hesitate to discuss: maintaining strong blood flow and intimate wellness as you grow older. My goal is not to offer shortcuts or make unrealistic promises. Instead, I'm here to guide you through a simple, natural, and senior-friendly method that has been used for generations to help the body relax and support healthy circulation. This technique involves using castor oil on a specific pressure point, something gentle, comforting, and easy to practice at home. You don't need expensive remedies, complicated tools, or harsh treatments. What you need is understanding how your body works, why circulation plays such an important role in male vitality, and how small daily habits can help you feel more balanced and confident. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the exact point to massage, how to apply the oil safely, and how this simple routine can fit naturally into your everyday life. This isn't a medical cure, and it should never replace professional care, but it can be a supportive part of your wellness journey. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's start this session together, with respect, clarity, and your long-term health in mind. I'm here to help you feel stronger, healthier, and more connected to your body again. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Let's get started. Firstly, let's see why castor oil is traditionally used for men's health. Castor oil has been a trusted part of traditional wellness practices for centuries, especially in households where natural remedies were the first line of care. As a doctor, I appreciate castor oil for its gentle, warming nature and its ability to soften tension in the body. It's rich in fatty acids that provide a soothing effect when applied to the skin, making it helpful for supporting relaxation and comfort. For many men over 50, circulation tends to slow down, especially in areas connected to male vitality. Using castor oil on specific pressure points doesn't act as a medical treatment, but it may encourage warmth, ease, and better flow in that region. This simple technique helps the body unwind, making it easier for blood to move freely and naturally. Its affordability, safety, and long-standing reputation make castor oil a reliable choice for senior-friendly self-care routines. Next, I will explain the connection between blood flow and male vitality. When we talk about male vitality, especially after the age of 50, one of the most important factors to understand is blood flow. Healthy circulation is what keeps your organs nourished, your energy stable, and your intimate confidence strong. As men age, the blood vessels may stiffen, and circulation can slow down, leading to feelings of weakness, reduced stamina, or difficulty maintaining firmness. This change is not a disease, it's simply a natural part of aging. But the good news is that simple, daily habits can support better blood flow. Gentle massage, warm oils like castor oil, light stretching, hydration, and healthy foods all help the vessels relax and function more efficiently. In today's video, my goal is to help you reconnect with your body, understand these changes with clarity, and learn how circulation-friendly routines can naturally support your overall vitality. Small steps truly make a big difference for men over 50. In this section I will discuss understanding the pressure point. When it comes to supporting circulation and relaxation, one specific pressure point has been used in traditional wellness practices for generations. This point is located on the lower abdomen, just a few inches below the navel. It's an area closely connected to your body's energy flow and plays an important role in maintaining warmth and movement in the pelvic region. For men over 50, gently stimulating this spot can help release built-up tension, improve comfort, and support smoother blood flow. When combined with castor oil, the warmth and lubrication create a calming effect that helps the tissues relax even more. This is not a cure or medical treatment, but rather a natural technique that many seniors find soothing and beneficial as part of their daily routine. By understanding how this pressure point works, you can take a simple step toward reconnecting with your body and supporting your overall vitality safely and naturally. Now let's understand step-by-step technique to get benefits. To get the best results from this simple wellness routine, focus on doing it slowly and mindfully. Begin by warming a small amount of castor oil between your palms, just enough to create a gentle, soothing heat. Then place your fingers on the pressure point, located a few inches below your navel. Apply light pressure, and start making slow, circular motions. The goal is not to press hard, but to allow the warmth of the oil and the softness of your touch to relax the area. Massage for about 2 to 3 minutes, maintaining steady, comfortable movements. Breathe naturally and keep your shoulders relaxed. This helps your entire body respond better to the routine. You can repeat this once in the morning or before bed to support healthy circulation and relaxation. This technique is safe, simple, and easy to fit into your daily life. No equipment, no strain, just gentle self-care for men over 50. Best time to perform this routine. The best time to perform this routine is when your body is calm and your mind is relaxed. Many men prefer doing it before bedtime because the warmth of the castor oil and the gentle massage help release tension built up throughout the day. Others find it refreshing to do in the morning, as it wakes up the abdominal area and supports healthy circulation for the day ahead. Choose a time when you're not rushed, ideally after a warm shower. What matters most is consistency. Practicing this simple routine daily can help your body respond more smoothly and comfortably over time. In this section I will explain benefits you may notice over time. With regular practice, many men begin to notice small yet meaningful improvements in how their body feels. The warmth of castor oil and the gentle pressure on this point often help the abdominal muscles relax, which may support smoother blood flow and better comfort in the pelvic area. You may also experience a sense of lightness, reduced tension, and improved overall wellness. Some men report feeling more energized and confident throughout the day because the body responds positively to consistent care. These benefits build gradually, and the key is patience. Allow your body the time it needs to adjust and rejuvenate naturally. Next I will discuss important safety tips. While this routine is gentle and generally safe, it's important to listen to your body. Always test a small amount of castor oil on your skin first, to ensure you don't experience irritation. Avoid pressing too hard on the pressure point. This technique should feel soothing, never painful. If you have a hernia, recent abdominal surgery, or ongoing discomfort in the area, speak with your doctor before starting. And remember, this practice supports relaxation and circulation but is not a replacement for medical advice or treatment. Treat your body with care, move slowly, and stop immediately if something doesn't feel right. Bonus tips for all my viewers. Good circulation and strong overall wellness come from a combination of small daily habits. After 50, focus on foods that naturally support heart and vessel health, such as leafy greens, berries, nuts, and healthy oils. Stay hydrated, keep your body moving with light walking or stretching, and aim for restful sleep each night. Reducing stress through deep breathing or relaxation techniques also helps the body function more smoothly. Limiting smoking and alcohol can make a noticeable difference in your energy and vitality. These simple habits, practiced consistently, work together to support your strength, confidence, and long-term male health. So there you have it, viewers. Dr. Anglina Dcosta signing off this video. As you move through this stage of life, remember that your body still has tremendous strength and potential. Small, consistent steps, like this simple routine, can make a meaningful difference in how you feel each day. Be patient with yourself, stay committed, and give your body the care it deserves. Wellness after 50 is not about chasing quick fixes, but building steady, healthy habits that support long-term vitality. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips designed especially for seniors. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.